How's it going, everybody? I'm Mecca coming at you here, and it is Monday, time for the weekly update, and I am inside today. It's honestly, it's too hot. I can't handle it outside right now. It's like 6 o'clock, but it's still way too hot. So it's like I walked outside, and I was like, yeah, no, we're doing this inside today. So I'm just finishing up some editing for a couple interviews that I'll get up this week. And then yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the family, and we'll probably just kick it and chill for the rest of the night. But well, there we are. But hey, let's talk what was going on this week. How was your week? Tell me in the comments. Love to hear. Love to know what's exciting, your wins, your losses, how I can help. But if you don't know me, really quick, my name's Mecca. I do 3 things here. I show you how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can design your ultimate lifestyle. I'm doing me so you can do you. And this week, this month, has been nothing short of mind-blowing and barrier-breaking, glass-shattering explosiveness. If you remember from last week, I said, you know, I'm going to have to start tracking my income on a weekly/daily basis. As soon as I started making that decision, you know, I don't like the secret, you know, the woo-woo thing, but things started to happen. Things started aligning. You know, all the dominoes started coming into place, and you know, we have to hit my goal of $30,000 a month. We need to be doing $7,000 a week, and last week we did just over $12,003. $12,003 in 1 week, and it's still freaking nuts and incredible. Like, I was talking to D1, and I was like, man, well, what's happening? We have our call tomorrow, and I was like, bro, I don't understand this. What's happened? Where's all this money coming in from? And he's like, you should just started listening to me more. And you know, it's nuts. But things are really picking up. The last few weeks have just been nothing short of incredible. You know, with all aspects of the business, publishing is really starting to pick up. And like, hey, I'll be the first to admit it, I ain't no hotshot publisher at all. Like, I do, like, you know, this month I'll probably do like $6 grand. Like, shit, there's publishers do $6 grand weeks. I'm not. Publishing is just not my focus. I don't like. I show people how to get good at publishing. I'm just 10 times better at teaching people how to do it than focusing on and really scaling that income myself. So, but hey, whatever. You know, I'll take this 5, 6, 7 grand a month from it. That's totally cool. But you know, it's really. I'm gonna do a separate video on money. Because I think that's really still something people need to be hearing about and talking more about. But it's just, like, today we're over $2,000 for the day. And it's not just me. That's the cool thing. Like, I was just texting with one of my students, and you know, she did $1,300 this week. This is not related to publishing or anything, and we've had a couple calls. Her biggest week before that was $500, and now she's done $1,300 after she started working with me. And she's like, "This is nuts. I don't understand what you know, how this is happening." And I'm like, "I don't, me neither." But you know, it's the fact of the matter is this. Having somebody else just hold you and guide you is the utmost importance of anything. You know, I put all my success in everything that I've been doing. I throw it right back onto having a mentor, investing in coaching. I was speaking with Scott, you know, this morning and here this afternoon, and he was looking at getting going with some coaching with somebody else. He was just calling me to check in, and I'm like, do it. He's like, yeah, I know I'm gonna do it. I just want to see what the experience was like. I'm like, yeah, just do it. And you know, it's great because he already sees the results from just the first few calls he's been having. And I'm like, man, it's like you pay rent, then you pay your coach. figure out somewhere else to eat. Pay rent, pay your coach, figure out food some other way. Like, that's just like, you know, and obviously, you know, don't take that for what it is, but that's just the importance of it. You know, so it's all good. It's all good. Sorry, this weekly update, really no real clue on what to talk about. Because with Kindle publishing, I haven't done anything different. I followed the blueprint. I'm always learning. This week, I'm going through everyone else's course. So it's like the week of taking courses. I'm just wrapping up the AMS Ads Profit Formula. I'll put a link in the description for that. That's Marco's course on AMS Ads, because I really just want a better understanding of all these different things. I'm going through Double Your Kindle Sales in a couple days. I'll be going through that course. We'll look forward to that. And then I think Friday I'm going to be going through Jacob and Michael's, both their keyword courses. And I'll have links so you guys can check those all out if you want. But always learning, because you know what's so great is a lot of, like, these are my students, and you know they've got really good at a specific area, and now they're helping other people excel at that specific thing on a higher level. And that's so key. You never want to think that, oh, because, you know, never for once did I ever think, oh, because I'm the course creator, you know, I know it all, and it's fucking foolish talk. I just love the fact that they're taking what they're learning and applying it, and then putting their own twists on it and saying, hey, I'm getting these results, and look at this. And that's just so cool, because what happens, they're helping level up the entire community 10 times faster than I could do it on my own. And that's what we need. We need more people like that, because we're all going to level up each other, and we can take as many people up, you know, as possible. And that's always been, you know, the goal of what I wanted to do, you know, with publishing and everything. So it's really turning into something a lot bigger than I thought, especially with this Cancun trip. Honest to God, if you're in the publishing space, like, anybody who's anybody important is going to be in Cancun in terms of an influencer for self-publishing. Specifically, you know, we're focused on the nonfiction. What is going to happen in that event is not just the event, but the side conversations by the pool, by the beach. It will level up your business like you can't even explain. I was just speaking with somebody who just purchased only the one of two premier tickets. It's $1,000 ticket that he purchased. He still is paying for his flight and his accommodations. He's bringing his wife. They're flying in from Spain, and he purchased the $1,000 ticket. Why? Because I give him bi-weekly calls up until the event to help him increase his income. He gets extra time with me at the event, and a few other perks and stuff. But we got people flying in from literally all across the globe now for this event. We're capping it at 20 people. We're like 65% sold out so far. So, you know, link in the description. Grab that. This event, it's literally going to be changing people's lives. We will turn it into an annual thing for sure, just because of, you know, the response we've been getting for it so far. But if you're in, hey, we got people coming in. They're making $10 a month right now with publishing, and they're investing in this event because they're like, this is going to be the fastest way I can level up, and they're coming in. So just because you're not making any money with publishing is not an excuse. This event will change everything for you. You just get to hang out with all the influencers in the community, pick their brains for 48 hours. Is that like 4 days? Yeah. So it's going to be awesome. So seriously, make sure you go check it out. Message me if you need to grab a quick call before you confirm. Hit me up. Message me on Facebook. Hit me up. Say, hey, I'm thinking about going to the event. Can we grab a quick 5-minute, 10-minute call? I got a couple questions for you. Let's do it. I'll jump on the phone with you. We'll chat, and you know, I'll close you and you'll come. Like, it's it's going to have that type of impact on your business. So, sorry, that's turning into a sales pitch for the event. It's that important. It's that important. But I'm going to get this video up, edit the other 2 videos because they're solid interviews that I want to get up on the channel for this week, for sure. And then Wednesday, you'll be happy to note I've cleared my calendar and all I'm doing is filming some new videos. So that will be coming out very, very shortly. I'll probably get like 5 or 6 filmed that day, maybe more. But hey, if you got any video topics you want me to film, make sure you hit me up in the comments and let me know your ideas. And I'll take a look and we'll see if we get them filmed on Wednesday. And hey, Instagram has this new question thing. So follow me on Instagram and ask me questions, because that's like the new thing to do now. But until next time, everybody, I hope you all have a great day. Yeah, we'll speak to you all soon. Peace.